So Supra's back. We're back at it.
Day 2.
Day 2. A month later. Now we're gonna install the charge pipe that we didn't get to install. And the funny thing is that we're probably gonna have to undo everything that we did on this side to be able to change the charge pipe. Yeah.
In our defense, the part wasn't here, so
yeah, we were waiting for the part.
We got impatient and want to hear all those fun noises.
What do you think? After we install it, we're gonna go for a ride?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go test out the new mods.
Yes, sir.
Those 1,000 horsepower gains that we're gonna be playing. Yep. You have it on E85 right now, huh?
Just E30 mix right now.
E30, okay.
And I just fuel, so it should be pretty fun.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of mods as well as tuning. This is held by 2 E14 bolts. I like to start all my bolts with the sensor.
Yeah, they're.
Tab.
No.
This tab up right here.
Removing the intake.
That same tab.
Yep.
Remove the bracket right here. It's held in by a 10mm. Just carefully don't drop it.
This one right here. I think it might be here.
10mm. Right there, that's held by that nut. Now,
I guess we do have to take it out.
So far, what we're having to do to change this charge pipe is remove the 2 T30, I guess, bits. T30 bits on the top, and also these 2 connectors right here, 1 and 2.
You're gonna have to
We're gonna
remove 10 right here.
Yeah, it's a 10mm bolt. I think it's just the bracket that holds the grommet. But yeah, move this out of the way, not take it all the way out, just move it out of the way. Right now we're undoing the special filter box that we have, and we're gonna get that out of the way so we can get some space to remove the clamp at the bottom. Other than that, I don't think anything else is necessary to be removed.
Snug fit.
The clamp is gonna slide out. Look at it. Hopefully I don't drop it. I think the charge pipe should be ready to come out.
Yeah.
I think we got everything out of the way, so let's see. Put it this way. It's going.
I think we just gotta wiggle it around. I hope you don't get stuck here.
Imagine.
I mean, we can remove the cat and then take it out.
I mean, we did it.
You know what's
It
funny?
wasn't supposed to come out like this.
It doesn't. Yeah, it's supposed to come out from the top, but it's easier through the bottom. So hashtag be different, guys.
Be different, bigger.
Look at this abomination. Disgusting.
These probably feels cracked.
Compared to this, that looks pretty good.
Can't believe it was easier to take it out through the bottom than it was through the top. Because I mean, we could have done it through the top.
I think we're gonna be the first guys that's ever taken the pipe from the bottom.
We were finding new ways. But if you wanted to take it through the top, probably be easier to remove this bracket and obviously not have that chassis brace. You're gonna need a catch can, bro.
You think?
Yeah, look, you got a little bit of oil in your intake.
I think it was from the guys that did the oil change.
Look at this. He did do the oil change.
Before going to work, I dropped it off at a shop. Cause I didn't have time for it. And literally the next day, it started smoking like a lot. Oh yeah. Goodbye, turbo. But so far it hasn't done it anymore. But look at this, guys.
Looks nasty.
Yep.
There's
There's
oil.
still a lot more there, which is not good.
So what we were thinking is that they probably overfilled it.
I'm pretty sure they overfilled it, because I remember hearing something about them putting maybe 7.5, and I believe these hold 6.5.
And clean it up.
Trust shops, do it yourself. Don't be lazy like me and get a heart attack thinking that your turbo is blown.
Let's clean it up a little bit. And
Yes, sir.
have it clean for the next charge pipe. Look at this. Looks so sexy. Clean off the turbo, or the inlet to the turbo. Let's get in here, boys. This is probably the first time we're seeing this. Our 2020 Supra turbine. Looks fast.
Do we need to take this off?
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
gonna have
right?
to transfer that, the sensor. Spin it right off, baby.
That?
I don't know what that is. Look at this. You gotta make sure the little inserts are tight because they did not come tight.
Like this.
Yep, and you don't want to have any boost leaks. So make sure they're tight, or they're gonna shoot out like bullets.
Just gonna hear a boom.
I think it's better just to put them separate, and then once this one's up there, just like slide them in.
Yeah. Let me see a red dot.
Going in here. Insert the tube.
Don't forget about the clamp, boys.
Yep. There it goes.
That's sweet click. Sponsor? Question mark?
It's gonna be looking nice and pretty. And it's gonna slide.
No sexual.
Oh, this is all professional.
Yep.
Professional installations. Look at this shit. Alright.
Well, this charge pipe did not get circumcised. That's for sure. CTS Turbo. Sorry I didn't get your guys' intake, but you guys don't do forge, you know, so.
Alright. What's the pro tip?
Pro tip, don't forget the clamps.
Yeah, we were wondering how it was gonna hold up to boost with just the coupler being in there without any clamps. Then we looked over there
and we see some.
and we saw a pair of clamps that have to go in the coupler. So don't forget those, or you're gonna have to remove the pipe again. All right. Make it faster. All right, another pro tip: when you're installing these bolts, bolting to the throttle body, make sure to have the clamps a little bit loose so you can give you a little bit of room to play with, so you can slide it forward and run the bolts in nice and smooth, so you don't risk stripping the actual threads on the bolts. And then after you get these bolts tightened, then you can move back to the clamps and make sure they're tight.
So, put this bad boy back.
All the little carbon fiber details from the cover to the intake, everything's carbon fiber.
And then we're gonna get this piece soon, and then the ECU cover as well.
ECU cover.
So I have a fully dressed carbon under the hood.
How do you feel about the install? Was it pretty easy, pretty tricky?
Yeah, it was pretty easy, but just don't forget about the clamps.
Yeah, and then don't drop any bolts because it's gonna cost you a lot of hours.
Yeah. Ghetto ass.
Look at this thing. Alright. I don't think it's safe, bro.
It's not. It's not.
Testing performance mods with the fuck.
Yeah,
with the
sorry guys. I've been slacking.
Seatbelt.
I'm about to
work.
replace these, so that's the only excuse.
Alright. I've been in worse cars. I can't complain. This is a nice car. Alright, so we're gonna go test performance mods. Shall we? Let's go ahead. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what a fast car feels like. Does it sound louder than before?
Way louder.
So now with the fucking charge pipe, you can push it a little bit more?
Yeah, I can pretty much crank up the boost.
Nice.
So that should should be fun.
The acceleration. Like a chopper.
Coyote approved the mods.
Coyote installs. NSA installs. Yeah, that's just so fucking aggressive, dude.
You see how we still spin?
Yeah, I felt the spin right there. Oh,
Nice pops.
I felt the spin. Definitely felt the spin. You don't get tired of that.
No, sir.
It's gonna be it for today. We successfully installed a lot of shit. We didn't fuck anything up,
Yeah.
and it ended up working.
No bolts.
No bolts
nothing.
dropped.
No washers. No nothing.
So we finished the installs, and that's it for today's video.
Stay tuned for more parts.
Yeah, whatever comes next for the Supra.
And the vet.
Yep. All right. See you guys.
Later.